Hey friends and family. So what I have here is a real estate copy generator. Real estate agents is a very competitive market, and what I'm realizing more and more is social media and social media marketing for real estate and marketing in general in real estate is kind of how you make your edge, and it's not necessarily a want to, it's a have to. So what I've created here is an automation that generates your website copy, your email copy, your Instagram copy, and your LinkedIn copy for any listing that you would like. So when you put in the listing and some of the information here in the Google form, by inputting that information, you're able to get all types of copy in a matter of probably about a minute to 5 minutes, depending on how fast you type. So pretty much how this works is, so like I was saying, my content is not necessarily going to be made and tailored towards the people who build it, but the leaders in business who want to use AI. So the way that I make these videos is not necessarily to show you how to build one. It's just to inform you on what AI is actually capable of. My name is Jimmy, and my agency is The Other Shore AI, and I have a Skool community group that I just started. It's called AI for Leaders and Not Builders, and more of this content and more of this information is going to be there. So let's just start real quick. This is an automation that works with Google Sheets. Perplexity AI is the research engine. Then it goes into Google Drive as far as where all the information is saved. Then it works with Google Sheets, and all that information will pop up here. And this is the start of the automation. So what I'll do here really quickly is we're going to use this listing as an example. So if this was your listing, you would put your information here, right? So for mine, let's go with this. Then you would put your project name, single family home, Pololo. And this is a residential type of business location. And you take this information here. I'm using this listing. One, as you can see, everything in Hawaii is very expensive, but it has all the information here. It is just easier for me to use this here. The entry price is what you're going to want to put, where you want to put the price of your property that you're working with. The completion date is not 1 second. And then you would really use that just for projects that are in building or that are being made, and that would have to be with, as if you're pre-selling those amenities here. All of this can be tailored to however you would like. And then for the amenities, you would use whatever is pertaining to your listing, and if you have more amenities and all that other stuff, all of this stuff can be changed. So we'll go with parking garage. For our security, it's near a playground, community hall, clubhouse, landscape garden, walking trails, and pet friendly, barbecue area, laundry facilities, ocean view. Alright, so we'll go with that. Alright, this is the information that we would have about the project or the listing. Then from there, you would go with agent name, which is my name. You can go with your email. So you can also do this if you have multiple agents. You can use the same automation for multiple agents. You don't have to have one automation for every agent. All right. And then submit. And once you submit, then the automation will start running. Once the automation runs, it'll take that address and then it'll put that information through the Perplexity prompt. And then from the Perplexity prompt, it will do all the market research necessary for that local area, such as rate of growth, crime rate, what's nearby, a little bit about the financial history of that address, and then it'll start generating the copy as you move through there. All right, so the automation is going and it is running through Perplexity, which is doing all the research, all the market research and all that information there. After it does that, it'll start going through the different ChatGPT prompts to give you specific marketing copy for then it should populate all right here. Completion date, email, puts all that information in there. Each one of these will be Word docs, Google Docs anyway. That'll be uploaded here for easier file storage. So as you can see, it's gone through this process. It's already updated one part of it. This is the website copy. We can look at the preview here. As you can see, I'll scroll through this very shortly. You can pause at any moment and take a look at it. But this would take quite some time as far as this is concerned. Maybe people will be pretty good at it, and maybe this is not necessarily what you're exactly going to put on it, but it gives you a great starting point. And if you're doing a lot of volume as far as multiple agents doing a lot of the stuff, this is the email copy. This is how it works. It's templated so that you could make those changes or have another automation that automatically updates if you have a CRM or a mailing list. But it has all the information about the property already in there. As you can see that there is some research that's been put in here, the below, and it even got the diacritical marks, which is pretty cool. So it's a strong, safe community, safe urban revitalization projects that enhance your living experience. It puts the call to action in there, and it puts your personal information as the agent into the copy as well. Then it goes into here. AI overall does need to be worked with. So this is in HTTP format here. This preview looks a little bit more like this. If we get HTTP previewer here, we'll get that up in a second. But this is the last one. This is the LinkedIn copy right here. So all of this stuff here is the different types of marketing copy that can get created. This prompt probably needs a little bit of cleaning up here and there, but it's a great way to start. And this is one of the possibilities that AI could help you if you are a local real estate agent and you might be doing a lot of stuff on your own. This could free up a lot of your time so you can get into the more high leverage task of just sales, meeting with customers and all that other stuff. And again, this prompt is more of a demo. More specific prompts actually done for clients will be a lot more in depth. We'll have some examples of their existing copy so it could speak in the tone in your language that your customers are used to. But yeah, so that's the marketing real estate copy generator as far as what it does for leaders and business owners. I got this idea from Nico. I'm actually in one of his Skool communities, and I'll leave a link to his YouTube later on so you can go check him out. He has really cool stuff, a lot of great information. And again, if you guys could join my Skool community, there's not really anything in there at the moment. There is another automation that I made for an Airbnb. This is the place where I'll put all the prompts and all the templates that I use for these automations, and I would hope to build this community one day into a place where business owners and entrepreneurs can get together who has leveraged AI before in their business to share stories, share ideas, how they would like to do it, what they would like to see made, and then so people can see someone just like them and just like their business implementing AI and seeing what pays off and seeing how much it can help them. But again, my name is James. Thank you so much for your time. I also go by Jimmy, so you can call me either way. Yeah, let me know anything in the comments, really. I'm just excited and thankful that you guys watch and take the time to take a look at my videos. Appreciate it. See y'all later.